Hi there, it's Matthew at the Caravan Company. This is a Sprite exclusive 4 we're in today doing a handover on. So I'm just going to take you through the control panel. Above the door you've got your main power switch, power on, power off, and power on. Internal lights. Roof lights above there, which are the dimming lights, as you can see. Water pump run. So to fill the water system, you'll go underneath the seat at the front of the van. Just in, where is it? Just there. At the moment, the valve is in the open position, so the Caravan will be in the drain position. When you want to fill the water system, you'll flick that switch down and connect your water pump to the outside of the van and drop it into your rack roll on the outside of the Caravan. You'll then open all the taps up, all around the Caravan, the bathroom, the sink, the shower, etc. And then you can turn on your water pump to fill the water system. Once the water system is filled, you'll have water coming out of the taps continuously on each tap, and then you can shut down the taps, each one, including the sink around here and the shower room just in there. To operate the heating, you come into this control panel above the door. The first one you see is your room temperature. So you spin this dial to the temperature you desire, so for instance 20 degrees. Press the middle button to set. The next one across is the water temperature. You've got off, eco, hot and boost for if you're showering. So again, you set it to which one is most appropriate once you have got water in the system. Next one across is the power that's coming into the Caravan. So at the moment we're set on electric 1, which is 1000 watts, which is what you'll use if you're on a 1000 watt site. Electric 2, which is what you'll use on a 2000 watt site. Mix 2 is gas and 2000 watts of power. Mix 1 is gas and 1000 watts of power, and gas, if you're on an off-grid site, is just there, so you hit the button in the centre again and that will set the power you are using on board the van. The end symbol here is the fan speed inside the van, so you've got eco, high or boost. So again, you can warm the Caravan up how you'd like to on blown air. Again, you just hit the button and that will turn on the fan inside the Caravan. Works a bit like your car system in that sense on your dashboard. When you finish with the Caravan, you'll come underneath the seat down here and you'll open up the drain valve back into this position so the water system drains down. Below the seat down here, you've got your main control panel. That is all turned on and ready to go. There is an option on the end to isolate the whole Caravan if you wish to. The fridge, very simple to use, power on. As you can see, press and hold. At the moment it's trying to ignite on gas, but to change it will self-ignite on gas, and if it fails you get a red light that appears here. If you want to ignite the fridge, chill the fridge on mains, you go across to the mains symbol and then use the thermometer on this temperature control on this side. If you're towing and you want to use 12 volt, you use the 12 volt one just here. Cooker, works like your household cooker, no difference at all. No difference at all on the cooker to your household. Igniter on the front, as you expect to see. The only difference being you need to open the hob lid to get gas through to the grill and oven itself. Toilet system, very simple to use. To fill the flush system on the outside of the Caravan, it's the top cassette locker, and that's 3.5 litres of water you put in there and some of the pink fluid. At the bottom of the toilet you've actually got the grey flap just there, which you pull open, and that is the waste trap, so that will allow waste down into the tank underneath the Caravan. And in the cassette underneath the Caravan, the toilet cassette itself, you put 1 litre of water and some of the blue fluid. On the outside of the Caravan you've got your storage lockers, as you can see, your barbecue gas point, wind down legs, you've got one on this side and one on the opposite side. And then at the back of the Caravan you have got 2 wind down legs also. Again here you've got your locker for underneath the bed, your grey waste pipes on the side of the Caravan as well where your wastewater will come out, and then you've got your motor mover on this side of the van. Battery locker for the side of the Caravan is in there, and then you've got your mains power lead plugged into the side of the van as well. Water pump connection is just here, as you can see. And at the front of the van you've got your your Truma heating vent. If you have any more questions on the operation of the Caravan, please do let us know. The hitch up procedure will run through while you're here. If you've got any more questions, please do give us a call on 01933 682 888. Thank you very much. Bye bye.